Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a wall to your room on the Room Planner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home icon down below and select the kind of room that you want to create. Tap on start from an empty room, and here you can select from 6 preset room shapes. As you can see, you can also draw your walls from a scratch. And you have another option, measuring your room with your camera. So tap on the relevant one that you prefer. After that, if you want to add a wall, you should click on the draw wall option down below, which is the second option. And here you should draw a wall into your room. As you can see, you have added this wall, so you are free to rotate it and edit it, make it longer or shorter as well. If you click on it, you can rotate it or clone it, meaning that you will add the same wall. Here, if you click on it, you can either delete it, remove it, as you can see. And basically that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.